Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Brienne. For today's video, I'm so excited to show you the I'm So Excited collection from Loud Lacquer. I know that was lame, but I had to do it. This is their summer collection and it releases this Friday, June 19th. So here are the colors. You got Buddy Bands, Hot Sundae, PSA, and Kapowski. If you can't tell by those names, this collection is inspired by Saved by the Bell. In the words of Zach Morris, time out. So, I have a little secret. I don't know if I'm supposed to tell you this or not. So, shh. I know I said that this collection comes out on Friday, but actually, I might have a link in the description to where you can buy them right now. But remember, that's our little secret. Don't tell anyone. Whoa. Something weird just happened? I feel like something really strange just happened. Anyway, where was I saying? Oh yeah, this collection launches this Friday and you can get all 4 polishes for $45. Don't forget to use my code, this one, right here. Yeah. 15% off anything you want at Loud Lacquer. So without further ado, let's roll that swatch footage. So up first we have this teal polish named Buddy Bands. It definitely leans more green than blue. I think it's just a really beautiful teal cream color. And don't you just love the name Buddy Bands? That's one of my favorite episodes of Saved by the Bell ever.
Buddy Bands, Buddy Bands,
Buddy Bands. Hey, they work.
And here's Buddy Bands with the glossy top coat. Up next we have this warm purple named Hot Sundae. Again, my other favorite name of this collection because I love that episode Saved by the Bell too, where they have the girl group and they make that workout video, you know? Classic. Here's Hot Sundae with the glossy top coat. Next we have this yellow chartreusey green called PSA. Now, quick note about this one. I did notice during my swatching that this one is a level 5 clinger. For real. It will stain you. So, make sure you double or triple up on that base coat to protect your nails.
I'm looking all over for you. I gotta get out of here pronto. I got a stage 5 clinger.
Here's PSA with a glossy top coat. And the last polish we're going to look at today is this salmon neon coral polish named Kapowski. This was very tricky to get on video, so definitely look at the pictures for the true color. My camera hates bright pinky orange polishes. Here's Kapowski with the glossy top coat. I did a fluid nail art using all 4 and my white DIY spotted polish. If you would like a more in-depth video on how to do fluid nail art, like how to make your own spotted polish and whatnot, let me know in the comments and maybe I'll film it for you. So I wanted to keep this one a little bit shorter and just show you me making the puddle. And now you can see me just top coat the nail after I've applied the decal. I really like how these colors look together, so I knew they would be perfect for fluid art. Now it's time to roll that outro. Now aren't those some beautiful polishes? In my opinion, it's such an interesting color combination for a summer collection. My personal favorite from the collection, which was really hard to choose, would have to be Hot Sundae. I thought I had a really good formula, and I just really love this shade of purple. I don't have a lot of warm purples. I have a lot of cool tone purples, so I'm really happy to have this warm tone purple. And look, it even matches my hair. So that's it for this collection. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite and if you're going to pick any of these up on June 19th. And remember, you can use my code right here for 15% off your purchase at Loud Lacquer. And as always, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Man, now I really want to watch Saved by the Bell, but I can't because I have to edit this. Ugh.